Some investors are not bothered about the way the market is going and most times prefer to work with the all-time highs and all-time lows of stocks. You might also have your doubts about stocks, and in this video, we are going to be talking about 10 of the best stocks you can buy and hold forever. Are you ready for this? Number 10. Home Depot. This is one of the most popular retail stores in America, and there are more than 2,000 branches in Mexico, America, and Canada. For the first quarter of 2022, Home Depot recorded sales of more than $38 billion, which was about 3.8% higher than what was made the previous year. In 2021, Home Depot generated $151.2 billion in sales, and its cash dividend, as well as excellent strategies for growth, make it one of the best stocks to consider for long-term investment. Number 9. Sherwin-Williams. Having more than 4,500 stores in Canada and the United States, this company generated more than $19 billion in revenue in 2021. With over 5 brands in its corporate portfolio and a worldwide reach of more than 100 companies, this company was able to record an increase of 7.4% in sales for 2022. Although the dividend is not as high as that of other companies, being just $0.6 for a share, the powerful growth opportunities and incredible margins also make it one of the best stocks to buy and hold. Number 8. Apple. As we know, Apple constantly rising, and they keep on producing products that are in high demand. Because of the demand and quality of their products, investing in Apple stocks for a long time is a good idea. Let us cite an example. Making an investment of $100 in Apple shares in 2016 would have been a good idea as well as a huge advantage, because since 2016 the stock value of Apple increased by over 450%. Between 2020 and 2021, the Apple stock value had an increase by over 30%. Number 7. Discover Financial Services. In 2007, Discover Financial Services was created and is currently operating an online bank. Have you ever heard of the Discover brand? This company owns the brand, and as you might know, this brand is one of the major credit card networks alongside American Express, Visa Card, and MasterCard. For more than 10 years, this company has developed an online bank that offers a lot of options like student loans, checking accounts, as well as savings accounts. The Pulse Payment Network, which is used to transfer funds between banks as well as tennis clubs, is owned by this company. Discover is quite popular in the United States of America and is widely used, but not as popular as American Express, MasterCard, and Visa cards, which is a disadvantage in some ways. One main thing about Discover is that its buybacks are very profitable because the company trades at low stock valuations. For 9 years, this company has increased its dividend, and it would be a good idea to buy and hold stocks. Number 6. Alphabet. This is another excellent investment to make. Alphabet has the most powerful balance sheet out of all the companies in the world, with more than $120 million in cash and an insignificant amount in debt. The revenues of this company are increasing at an alarming rate, and this company operates YouTube, as well as most other platforms like Google AdSense, Google Cloud, and Google Maps. Talking about driverless technology, this company has some of the most advanced technology in quantum computing among the top researchers. This company is another great investment to make when it comes to buying and holding stocks. Number 5. Microsoft. As you know, Microsoft is one of the biggest companies in the world when it comes to software, and it provides technology and device services all over the globe. This company has numerous methods of operation like cloud computing, as well as personal computing services and business processes. In 2022, the market capitalization of Microsoft rose above $2 trillion and a dividend yield of 0.9%. This definitely makes Microsoft a good investment because the company is not only growing, but has an incredible business model. Number 4. Abbott Laboratories. This company has not stopped expanding in recent years, and while acquiring assets, or has acquired St. Jude Medical, which is a medical device company, for over $25 billion. Acquiring this property has expanded the company and changed the way people see it, stripping it of being seen as a pharmaceutical business, allowing it to be seen as a medical equipment retailer. Since 1924, shareholders in this company have been paid a quarterly dividend, and it is another company to buy stocks in and hold long-term. Number 3. Enbridge. Enbridge holds a place among the biggest oil and gas distributors in North America. This company is a pipeline company located in Canada that operates one of the biggest natural gas utilities in Canada. The company is responsible for the movement of over 20% of the crude oil in North America and over 10% of the natural gas that is used in the United States of America. This company invested in renewable energy from the onset, and it is continuing to grow and expand, taking on projects like improving the existing natural gas pipelines by making advancements in construction. In 2022, the first quarter of the year was quite promising for Enbridge, and the company recorded a dividend rate of 6.31%, which is still on the increase. Because of the important role that this company plays in the natural gas transport and energy infrastructure in North America, as well as the dividend yield of the company, it is another good investment to buy stocks and hold for a long time. Number 2. Brookfield Asset Management. You might have not heard of this company, but the company deals in renewable energy, infrastructure, as well as property. For more than 2 decades, this company has expanded as a global asset manager with more than $450 billion in assets. They also have numerous properties like solar farms, skyscrapers, data centers, pipelines, and hydroelectric dams that span more than 5 continents. Talking about publicly traded partnerships, this company holds a major stake that would determine the flow of the market in partnerships like Brookfield Property Partners, Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, and Brookfield Renewable Partners. The company also has numerous ways of making money, including getting money from investors and investing that money for such investors into assets, as well as investing their capital into a variety of assets. The method that Brookfield uses to invest allows them to do exponentially because their investments are not only profitable, but they also get a lot of benefits from structural real estate as well as liquidity investments. Let us look at an example. If in 2004 you had invested $10,000, that money will be worth over $90,000 today. Brookfield Asset Management is another company that you can buy stocks in and hold long-term. Number 1. Berkshire Hathaway. This company, belonging to Warren Buffett, has major branches and business segments ranging from commercial insurance companies to manufacturing and private companies. The company also deals in building, food distribution, consumer products, as well as industrial products. A lot of investors have taken advantage of Berkshire Hathaway, and in 2022, the company decided to spread its wings and invest in other more successful businesses. The company has 12.8% shares in the Bank of America, 5.6% shares in Apple, and 19.9% shares in American Express. Because of how influential this company is and how invested it is in other industries, Berkshire Hathaway is another company you definitely should invest in stocks and hold long-term. Although people say stock investment is hard, there are a lot of investors that have disciplined themselves over the years and built long-term wealth from these investments. I hope this video has been satisfying and has informed you enough. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos about investment or personal finances. Thanks for watching and goodbye.